Right, I forgot to do this on the video. But what they're trying to say to you here is, if you've got speakers in series, they follow on lot. So this one is connected to this one in a straight line like this. Right, whilst this one, and this one are connected in parallel. They're not in a straight line, there's a junction here. That's what they're trying to say. Right, and I don't know how to do this with you just yet. So what I'll do it this way. I'll give you the answer. So what happens is the voltage is no longer split or shared across the two speakers. Right, so that means, so current is doubled to each speaker. So overall, current increases by a factor of 4. So if you use R equals V over I, the overall resistance is 1/4 of diagram 3 Right, how does this work? So we need to show this. They want the correct use of that. So we know in diagram 3, R is 1.5 divided by 0.30. In diagram 4, R is 1.5 divided by 1.2. So this is 5 ohms, and this is, let me get this, 1.25 ohms. So 1.25 is a quarter, so 1.25 is a quarter of 5. Right, that's what they're saying. Now the way, you know, I should show you this. Right, the way I did it was, I use V equals IR. So R equals V divided by, so R equals 5. Right, so that there is 2.5 ohms, and that there is 2.5 ohms. Right, now so when you put them together, right, so now we know this is 2.5 ohms, this is 2.5 ohms. Now how do you work out the resistance of parallel resistors? So basically it's 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 equals 1 over the total resistance. it's the reciprocal. Okay, so it'll be 1 over 2.5 plus 1 over 2.5 equals 1 over RT. And if you work that out on the calculator, let's continue on, equals 0.8, and then RT will equal 5 over 4, which is 1.25 ohms. Right, and then from there we can work out the current. So if you didn't have this information at GCSE level, they give you this. I don't know why I'm doing this with you anyway, but it's not a problem. Let's move on. Yeah, just leave it like that. They've given the information, use it, and then you can figure it out. So I need to stop waffling. So the voltage is no longer shared. It's no longer split here and here. You've got the same voltage across here and here now. So the current to each speaker is doubled. So you've got two speakers, double the current on each, you end up with 4 times the current. So if you did 0.3 times 4, you get 1.2. So if you work out the resistance, which we did here, the resistance decreases by a factor of 4, it's 1/4. So if the resistance decreases, you're expecting higher output. Let's move on. Here's question 11. A teacher uses this